Today, we're diving deep into SaneBox, the ultimate solution for decluttering your email inbox. SaneBox is designed to prioritize your important emails and filter out the noise, saving you valuable time and reducing email overwhelm. Throughout this video, we'll explore its features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives. Let's take a look at SaneBox's main features. Email filtering. Automatically sorts incoming emails into relevant folders such as Inbox, Sane Later, and Sane News. Snooze emails. Temporarily remove emails from your inbox and bring them back when you're ready to address them. One-click unsubscribe. Easily unsubscribe from unwanted emails with a single click, reducing inbox clutter. Sane reminders. Set reminders to follow up on important emails that haven't received a response. Attachments. Automatically save email attachments to cloud storage services like Dropbox and Google Drive. Analytics. Provides insights into your email habits and productivity, helping you make informed decisions. Now let's talk about pricing. SaneBox offers a range of subscription plans to suit different needs. For individuals, the snack plan starts at $7 per month and includes features like 100 active integrations and 14-day archive. The Lunchbox plan, which is priced at $12 per month, expands on this with additional features like unlimited reminders and attachment tracking. For businesses, the Dinner plan offers advanced features such as priority support and user management, starting at $29 per user per month. In terms of user experience, SaneBox provides a seamless and intuitive interface that makes email management a breeze. Its information features save time and effort, allowing users to focus on more important tasks. However, some users may find the initial setup process overwhelming, especially if they have a large volume of already existing emails to organize. SaneBox offers several benefits, including exceptional email management capabilities that effectively declutter inboxes and prioritize important messages. Its intuitive interface and smart automation features streamline email workflow, saving users time and effort. Additionally, SaneBox provides excellent customer support, ensuring users receive assistance whenever needed. However, some users may find the initial setup process overwhelming, and occasional inaccuracies in email sorting algorithms could result in important emails being misplaced. Alternatives to SaneBox include tools like Unroll.me, which focuses on email subscription management, and Mailbird, which offers a customizable email client with productivity features. However, SaneBox stands out for its comprehensive email management capabilities and robust automation features. In conclusion, SaneBox offers a powerful solution for streamlining your email workflow and reducing inbox overload. With its intuitive interface, smart automation, and customizable features, it's a valuable tool for individuals and businesses alike. Don't let email overwhelm you. Sign up for SaneBox today and take control of your inbox. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more tips and tricks to simplify your online life. Thank you for watching.